What we're going to be talking about today is going to be what separates us from our competitors and the different brands and everybody else out there on the market. The Ice-O-Matic difference, what we're looking at here is basically the simplicity by design, simple by design. That's what we're looking at Ice-O-Matic. Now when we say simple by design, that doesn't mean that we're cheap, right? When you look at stuff out there, I look at my phone, this is one of those phones that this is simple by design. This is yet the most expensive phone that's out there on the market. But this is simple by design, and that's what Ice-O-Matic is when you start looking at our ice machine. Boring is beautiful. If you think about it, why overthink things? You don't have to overthink an ice machine. The only thing I want that thing to do is make ice. I don't want to think about anything else. If you think of out there in the marketplace, what is the #1 selling spoon in America? The wooden spoon, right? Why? Because it's simple. And it's been around forever. That's the same thing with Ice-O-Matic. We don't believe in overthinking something. We just want this machine to make ice. That's all that we care about. That's all the customer cares about. More ice for the price. What does that mean? Well, on average, if you start to look at our machines versus a like machine, our machines will make anywhere usually between 25 and 50 pounds per day more. So if you start doing the math at 25 to 50 pounds per day more times 365 times a 10-year lifespan of a machine, you're looking anywhere between 40 and 80 tons of ice extra that my machine provides to you. That 40 or 50 pounds, 25 pounds can really add up to be a great cost savings over the long run in the life of the machines. American made. Boy, I can't say enough about that. I love being American made. I love keeping the American wheels turning, keeping the industry right here local for everybody to enjoy. We also buy a lot of American made parts and stuff like that. A lot of controls and stuff like that's going to come out of China, but that's with everybody. But American made, American assembled, that's what we have. World class and support network. That's the thing that really differentiates us between a lot of people. Anybody can sell an ice machine, but one thing that Ice-O-Matic believes is we want to sell a second ice machine to the same customer. That is what separates us from a lot of people. Everybody makes a good machine. Don't be fooled by that. Everybody makes a good machine. It's what we do after the point of sale. That's what really separates us from everybody else.